Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel NJ Classroom. In this part of the video, we are going to solve the numericals given in the exercise 3.1 of the chapter 3 matrices of class 12 NCERT Mathematics. So I am Jagdish Narayan, teaching physics and mathematics. If you are not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell button for notifications of the new videos. Please watch the video completely, and if you like the video, press the like button. So after watching this video, definitely you will get an idea how to solve the numericals in mathematics. Okay, in exercise 3.1, we are going to find out the solutions of the exercise 3.1. Okay, so now what is the first problem? The first problem is clear in the matrix. The first problem is clear in the matrix. A is equal to 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. Write the order of the matrix, the number of elements, and also write down the elements of A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. So now we go for the first one. Okay, first one is the order of the matrix. So what is the order of the matrix? The order of the matrix is clear. So look at here. How many rows are there? Row 1, 2, 3. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore 3 cross 4 is the order. So what is the order? 3 cross 4 is the order. So this is the solution for the part 1. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ? 3 ರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇದೆ? 4 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ರೋಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ? 3 ರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 4 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು 4 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 3 ಇಂಟು 4 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 12. So 3 into 12, how many number of 3 into 4 is equal to 12? How many number of elements are there in the matrix? 12. So you can count on. You count kuda madbodu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 number of the elements are there. So now we go for the next one. That is part 3 of the problem. Write the elements of A13. A13, what is that? A1, first row, third column. Go for the first row, third column. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. This is what is called as the first row, third column. So A13 is equal to how much? 19. A21 is equal to A21 means second row, 1, 2. First column, 1. This is what? 35 is the A21 element. That is 35. So next, A33 is equal to how much? Third row, third column. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the third row, third column coinciding element. It is equal to minus 5. So very simple. ಹೌದಲ್ವೇನಾ? A23 is equal to ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? 1, 2. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ? 1, 2, 3. ಸೊ 5 by 2 is the second row third column element, that is 5 by 2. So like that you have to find out the corresponding elements of the given matrix. So this is the solution of the question number 1 in 3.1 of the chapter 3 matrices. We go for the second part of the problem. So that is second problem. If a matrix has 24 elements, look at here. If a matrix has 24 elements, so how many elements are there? The number of elements in the matrix is the number of elements. We are solving problem number 2. Look at here. We are solving problem number 2. So how many number of elements? The number of elements is equal to 24. So what are the possible order it can have? So we know what is the, how to write the order of the matrix. Now order of the matrix ana m cross n anta baritave. Idu enidu order ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Order of the matrix is m cross n. Number of elements ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ number of elements ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. How to find the number of elements? By multiplying m into n is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? mn ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What happened? Is equal to mn. So mn is the number of the element. This is the way we have to find how many number of the elements if you know the order. So if you know the elements, we can find out the order. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ 24 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಇಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ 24 ಇಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ 24. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ 24 as 1 into 24, okay, is equal to 24. Okay, 2 into 12 is also 24. So 3 into 4, 3 into, okay, clear? So 3 into, come on, tell me, 8 3s are 24. Okay, next 4 into 6, 4 6 are 24. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 6 into 4, we can write down 6 into 4, 6 4s are. So first one is, this is what, 1 is nothing but number of row, this is number of column. So like that you have to write down 4 into 6, 6 into 4. So again we can write down, okay, again 6 into 4 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ, 8 into 3, 8 3s are 24. Load here, 8 3s are 24. Next 12 into 2, 24 into 1, so is equal to 24. So 24 can be arranged like that in terms of the rows and column. So how much? 1 into 24, one element ಒಂದು row ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು matrix ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, another matrix 3, okay, this is 4 5 6 and 7 and 8. So what are the possible order? The possible order are, the possible, we can write down the possible orders we can write using 24 elements. Using 24 elements are how much? Already we have calculated how much. That is 8 possible orders we can write down. So like that you can do yourself for the question number 3. Do it yourself. Okay, do it yourself. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ problem 3 ನ ನೀವು ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Do it yourself. Okay, problem 3 ನ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ. So see the problem, if the matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible order it can have? ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವುದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 and problem number 3. So we go for the problem number 4 and problem number 5. In problem number 4, construct 2 cross 2 matrix. If the matrix, I am solving which problem? The problem 4. Okay, I am solving problem 4. Look at here in the problem, A is equal to, okay, what is the element? Aij. Okay, so what is the order we have to write? 2 cross 2 matrix. What is the order we have to write? 2 cross 2 matrix. So now what is the, okay, first one I am going to, there are 3 okay, questions are given 1 2 3. So just in case I am going to solve problem number 1 of the 4th question. So that is Aij is equal to I plus j square divided by 2. So now what is the possible, okay, matrix? The matrix generally we can write down, generally, look at here, I will write here, generally 2 cross 2, a 2 cross 2 matrix can be written as, how it is looks like, 2 cross 2 matrix is, let us say A is equal to, capital A is equal to, this one is A11, A12, A21, A22. So this is what the possible. So now we have to find out the 4 elements. Okay, what is the first element? The first element is A11. Put I is equal to 1, J is equal to 1. What is the formula? The elemental formula is I is equal to 1 plus 1. Okay, that is I is equal to 1, J is equal to 1 square divided by 2. Simple. So 1 plus 1, 2 square divided by 2. 2 square is equal to 4 by 2. It is equal to 2. So what is the value of a11? a11 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ? ಐಗೆ ನೀವು 1 ಅಂತ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಜೆಗೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is the first element. Okay, first element. Similarly, we go for the a12. In the a12, put 1 plus 2 square. 1 plus 2 square divided by 2. What is the 1 plus 2? 3 square divided by 2. So 3 is equal to 9 by 2. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡಿ, ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡಿ. ಸೊ 9 by 2ನೇ ಇಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್? ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ a13. ಸೊ a13 ಅಲ್ಲ, a21, ಸಾರಿ a21. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ a21? a21 put I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1, second row first column element 2 1 square. So it is equal to 3 square, okay, by 2. Again it is equal to 9 by 2. So what is the next one? The next one is very simple. What is the next one? The next one is a3, a2, 2, second row second column. Put I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2, 2 plus 2 square. 2 plus 2 square is equal to 4. 4 square divided by 2. So that is 4 square divided by 2. 4 square is equal to what? 16 by 2 is equal to 8. So like that we have to calculate the corresponding elements. What is the first one element? That is a11 is equal to 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. a12 ಐಗೆ 1 put ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಜೆಗೆ 2 put ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So this is a21 and this is a22. So now, so substitute all the elements a11, a12, a21, a22. So now a is equal to a11 is equal to 2, clear, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 and 8. So this is the required matrices we can write down by using the formula. What is the formula given? The formula given is, what is the formula? The formula given is very simple formula. What is the formula given? Look at here, aij. This is the formula. Using this formula we can write down the corresponding elements, find out the corresponding element and write down the given matrices required. This is the required matrices we can write out. So similarly you have to solve in the same manner. So it is left to you. ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ aij is equal to I by j. Put I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1 for a11. Put I is equal to 1 and 2, 2 and 1 and 2, 2. You can find out the corresponding elements. So by using the formula I by j. Similarly aij is equal to 1 plus 2j square by 2. This is the third question in the question number 4. Okay. So now in the same manner construct, look at here, we go for the question number 5. We go for the question number 5. What is the question number 5? In the question number 5 you have to construct 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by. So now we go for the 3 cross 4 matrix. What is the 3 cross 4 matrix? Okay, we go for the question number 5. ಐದನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. In the question number 5, okay, we have to construct 3 cross 4. We have to construct 3 cross 4 matrix. How many number of rows and columns are there? Okay, we have to construct a matrix which consists of 3 rows and 4 columns. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? So let us say B is equal to a matrix B is equal to we can write down B is equal to, that is 3 row. Okay, a11, a12, a13, a14. So 4 column ಆಯ್ತು. a21, a22, a23, a24. Clear? So next a31, a32, a33, a34. ನೋಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 3 4 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 4 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 4 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ 3 4 ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 3 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ 3 4 ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. So this is what is called as the 3 cross 4 matrix. Clear? Okay, this is what 3 cross 4 matrix we have to write down. So now what is the formula for finding the elements? We go for the matrix. What is that? Aij is equal to 1 by 2. Look at here. Aij. Okay, see here. Aij. Elemental formula is 1 by 2 modulus of 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3i plus j minus 3i minus 3i plus j modulus. So now we go for A11. How many number of elements are there? We have to find out the 12 number of elements. 3 4 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? How many number of elements? We have to calculate 12 elements. So let us going first one. A11 is equal to 1 by 2. A11 is equal to 1 by 2. Put I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. Minus 3 into 1 plus 1. So what is that? Minus 3 into 1. 1 by 2 as it is. Okay. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1. It is equal to minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? plus 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Divided by 2. It is equal to 1. Clear ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ನೀವೇನಂತ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. 2 by 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ A12 is equal to 1 by 2. A12 is equal to 1 by 2. Minus 3 into 1 plus 2. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ minus 1 becomes plus 1. It is equal to 1 by 2. It is equal to 1 by 2. So that is A13 is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by 2. A13 is equal to 1 by 2. Put I is equal to 1. Minus 3 into 1 plus j is equal to 3. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? 3 ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? j is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು? 3 ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 1 by 2 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಏನಾಯಿತು? 0 ಆಯಿತು. 0 by 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0ನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 ಇಸ್ ನೈದರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಾರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. 0 by 2 is equal to 0 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣವಾ? A21 is equal to ನೋಡೋ I is equal to 2 ಪಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, j is equal to 1 ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು I ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಇಂಟು 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 by 2 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಆಯಿತು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 5. Modulus of minus 5 is equal to plus 5. So that is 5 by 2. Similarly, A22 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 2. So minus 3 into 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 4. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 2 is equal to minus 4. So 4 by 2 it is equal to 2 only. So A22 element ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ? 2 ಬಂತು. Similarly A23 can be written as 1 by 2. So put minus 3. I is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to, that is j is equal to 3. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 1 by 2 minus 3 2s ಓಕೆ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 6 plus 3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 is equal to plus 3. So answer is 3 by 2. So this is the second row elements. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ A24 ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. A14 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ A24 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ A24 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 4. 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 2s are minus 6. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6 divided by, sorry, plus 4 is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೋ? minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ minus 2 is equal to plus 2 by 2 is equal to ಏನಾಯಿತು? 1 ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 4 A14 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 4. It is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? So 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 4, 1 agata, it is equal to 1 by 2. So, these are the first row and second row elements. We go for the third row elements. What is the third row elements? A31, A3, okay, A31, A32, A33, A34 are the third row elements. We go for the third row elements, that is A, okay, A, just a minute, yes. So, A 3 1, look at here, I am changing color. So, A31 is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1. So, what is the answer? So, 1 by 2 minus 3, 3 is a minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. Modulus of minus 8 is equal to plus 8. Plus 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So, now we go for A32. Put A32, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 2. So, what is the answer? Minus 3 into 3, 1 by 2. आगे ಬರ್ಕೋಣ first outside the bracket, inside the bracket, that is modulus minus 3 3 is a minus 9. Minus 9 plus 2, minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. So, what is the modulus of minus 7? Modulus of minus 7 ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? 7 ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 7 by 2 kept as it is. So, now we go for the next one. What is the next one? Okay, what is the next one? Just a minute. Okay, we are back. Okay, so now we go for the next one. What is the next one? A33. A33 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 3. It is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 3 is a minus 9. Minus 3 3 is a minus 9 plus 3. Okay, it is equal to 1 by 2. What is the answer? Come on, tell me. 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Modulus of minus 6 is equal to 6 by 2. The answer is 3. Finally, A34 equals 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3, minus 3 3 is a minus 9 agata plus 4. So, answer is 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 4 is equal to minus 5. Minus modulus of minus 5 agata plus 5 divided by 2. So, now substitute all the elements. So, now what is the matrix? Now, B is equal to what is the matrix? Already we have written, it is equal to A11, A12, A13, A14. So, similarly A21, A22, A23, A34. The last one is A31, A32, A33 and A34. So, now look at the general matrix for 3 cross 4 matrix. So, now we go for the substitutions. So, what is the first row elements? B is equal to first row elements ana new barkobeku. What are the first row elements? So, first row elements are, look at here, 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. So, first row elements are, inside the box, 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. I repeating, 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. It is clear? Okay, very good. What are the second row elements? 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 1. It is 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 2, 3 by 2. Okay. It is 2, 3 by 2, 1. What are the third row elements? 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. It is a very simple. So, this is the required 3 cross 4 matrix. So, by using the formula, Aij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3i plus j. So you see the answer. So this is what is the answer. So ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ in terms of any elements ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ರ so corresponding ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಐ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಜೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. 3x4 ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ 12 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. 2x2 ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. Clear? So like that we can solve any type of the problem it is given. So this is problem number 4 and problem number 5. It is clear. So in the second problem also you have to construct 3 cross 2 matrix. Look at here. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ 3 cross 2 matrix ಇದೆ. You have to calculate the 3 cross 2 matrix. So how to find the 3 cross 2 matrix? Very simple. Okay. So by putting the I value 1, 2, 3, J value 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will get again how many number of the elements? 12 number of the elements. So you can do it. It is nothing to worry. So do it yourself. Aij is equal to 2i minus j. So we go for the another one important is problem number 6 and 7 based on the equality of the matrix. So in the problem number 6 there are 3 sub questions are given. So let us going for the first one. What is the first one? Look at here. The first one is problem number 6. The first part of the problem is, look at here, 4 3x 5 equals y z 1 5. So what the problem number 6 tell us? ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? Find the value of x, y and z from the following equations. So ನೀವು x value, y value ಮತ್ತು z value na equations. The matrix are in the equality form. Therefore left hand side and right hand side there are two matrices are given which are equal because of this is an equation andre na these two matrices are equal matrices, obey the equality of the matrices. According to the equality of the matrix the corresponding elements are same. Look at here, this is 2 cross 2 matrix, this is also a 2 cross 2 matrix. So corresponding element a11 idu a11. So what is that? By equating the corresponding elements, so you have to write down like that. Itarane baribeku by equating the corresponding elements. So what happened by equating the corresponding elements? Y value is equal to 4. Y value is equal to noda y ide corresponding element enide 4 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ corresponding element ಏನಿದೆ z ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ z is equal to 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ corresponding elements. ಇದು a12 ಇದು a12, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x is equal to 1. So now you get the answer. What is the simple way we have to identify the elements, unknown elements? X, y, z are the unknown elements. So in the another side of the matrix corresponding elements have to be write down. ಈ ಥರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So this is the problem number 6. Okay, part 1. So we go for the problem number. Okay, part 1 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? So next is very clear. Okay, clear? What is the problem? We go for the problem number, look at here. Problem number ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾನ ಇದು? Okay. We go for the problem number 2. Look at here. Problem number 2. In the problem number 2, very simple problem. Again, you have to find out the values of the x, y, z only. We have to find out the values of x, y, z only. In the problem number 2, look at here. In the problem number 2, x plus y, 5 plus z, 2 xy equals 6 to 5 8. 6 to 5 8. Look at here. So by comparing the corresponding elements, by comparing corresponding elements. So what do you get by comparing the corresponding elements? First element is x plus y is equal to x plus y is equal to 6. One equation you get. One equation you get. So this is what, okay, 2 is equal to 2. Clear agida? Okay, 2 is equal to 2 clear agida. Haudalva? So 2 is equal to 2 clear agida. Illi 2 ida, illi 2 ida. Idu nodi idu 5 plus z. Look at here, 5 plus z illenagide 5 ida. So called as x plus y as equation number 1, and another one equation is 5 plus z equals 5. So now take this 5 to the right hand side. Ikkade tagondu banni enaaytu z is equal to plus 5 idu enagutte illi minus 5 aaytu. Allige enaaytu z value is equal to 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. One thing you get from the second equation. Yavado 5 plus z is equal to, okay, enaaytu 5 plus z is equal to 5 plus z is equal to 0. Okay, 5 irutte, allige z is equal to enagutte, come on do it, z is equal to enagutte, so it is 0. So now another one equation is, what is the another one equation? Another one equation is x y corresponding elements, last elements 2 2 a 2 2 a 2 2, allige x y is equal to 8. So what is the product possible way? Illodile. So in the first, let us consider in the, this is the equation 3. From 1 and 3, let us consider from equation 1 and 3. Noda equation 1 and equation 3. Okay, ಏನida? Equation 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ x plus y by root method ನೋಡ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 6 ಇದೆ. x plus y is equal to 6 ಇದೆ. xy is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 8 ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ವೇನಾ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ x and y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನು? x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ x is equal to ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? 4 ಇರಬೇಕು, y is equal to 2 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದು 1 ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. 4 plus 2 is equal to how much? 6. 4 plus 2 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 4 plus 2 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ x is equal to 2. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾನು x is equal to 2 ತೊಗೋತೇನೆ, y is equal to 4 ತೊಗೋತೀನಿ. ತೊಗೋಪ್ಪ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. x and y are unknown. Again if you add x and y you will get 6. Again if you multiply x and y you will get 8. No problem. So what are the values of x, y, z? The values of the x, y, z are x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, or x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 6. So z is equal to 0. This is the way you have to solve the problem. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. You must be very very careful. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? So this is the problem 6 part 2. In the similar manner you can solve problem number 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Do it yourself. It's a very simple problem. ಏನಿದೆ? x plus y plus z is equal to 9 ಇದೆ, y plus z is equal to 5 ಇದೆ, y plus z is equal to 7. Otherwise I will do it, no problem. So if you seems to be it is very difficulty, so we will go and solve it, no problem. We will go and solve it. Okay, we go for the part 3. So just I will drag and put the question in here. Okay, now look at the problem. So the problem is clear. We go for the problem number 3 in the, that is part 3. Okay, look at here. In the part 3, what is the problem? Problem number 6, part 3. The part 3 problem is, so x plus y plus z. Okay, x plus z, y plus z equals what is that? 9, 5 and 7. So very simple. So now equating the corresponding elements. Already we know that equating the corresponding elements, what do you get? X plus y plus z is equal to 9. First write down. X plus z is equal to 5, y plus z is equal to 7. Called as equation number 1, equation number 2, and this is equation number 3. Okay, this is equation number 3. So now solve equation 1 and 3. Look at here. So from 1, substitute y plus z is equal to 7 into equation 1. Okay, substitute ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 3 ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ y plus z is equal to 7 ಇನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನೋಡ y plus z ಇದೆ ಕಣ ಇದೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ y plus z ಇದೆ ಸೊ ಲಿಸನ್ y plus z ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ y plus z 7 ಸೊ therefore x plus 7 ಆಯ್ತು is equal to 9 ಇದೆ ಸೊ x is equal to ಸೊ 7 ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ -7 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 9 ಇದೆ 9 minus 7 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ x is equal to 2 so you get one thing very simple so substitute ಬಂತು ಕಣ very simple substitute x is equal to 2 in equation 2 so x plus z is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 5 ಇದೆ put x value 2 z value we don't know put as it is equal to 5 so z is equal to 2 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರೆ -2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 5 minus 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ 5 minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 now we get z value 2 x value ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ z value ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ substitute okay we no problem substitute z value in substitute z in equation 3 so that is y plus 3 is equal to 7 so y is equal to 7 minus 3 y is equal to 7 minus 3 what do you get finally that is the values are very clear what is the value okay look at here y is equal to 4 so what are the values of x finally we can collect it the values of x y z are the values of x comma y and z so x is equal to 2 y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3 so this is the way by using the equality we can find out equality of matrices ಅನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು this is the method of okay finding the unknown values of the elements okay by equating the okay corresponding elements so by solving this one so 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 3 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ like that using the same method solve the question number 7 solve the question number 7 what is the question number 7 find the values of a b c d from the equation a b c d from the equation very simple equation okay what is the problem number 7 says problem number 7 ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೋ problem number 7 is very clear okay so find the values of a b c d by using the same so a minus b is equal to -1 2a plus c 5 2a minus b 0 3cd plus d by using this one we can solve it okay we will do it this one also no problem so it's a very simple problem we go for the problem number 7 what is the problem number 7 the problem number 7 you go for the problem number 7 very good okay okay just a minute I will drag the problem to the downside okay we are here we are going for the problem number 7 we go for the problem number 7 just a minute okay my dear students don't lose okay hope and you have to interact with the problem definitely the problem will be very easy so now by using the same method we can solve so now let us go for the problem number 7 what is the problem number 7 okay so a minus b 2a plus c 2a minus b 3c plus d equals okay listen in the right hand side -1 5 0 0 13 clear problem is clear equating the corresponding elements we know how to equate the corresponding elements a11 is equal to a11 on both sides of the equation what do you get a minus b is equal to -1 called as equation 1 ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ second element ಹೋಗೋಣ 2a plus c is equal to 5 2a plus c is equal to 5 2a minus b look at here 2a minus b is equal to 0. Called as equation 2 and this one as equation 3. So next one, 3c plus d is equal to 13. Called as equation number 4. So listen. So very simple. So a minus b is equal to minus 1. 2a plus c, okay, is equal to 5. So what we have to do? We have to solve. Very simple. 4 equations ಇದೆ. 4 equations ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So how to solve this one? Let us go for the first a minus b is equal to minus 1. So put the values. Okay, a is equal to, put the values. A is equal to, what is that? B minus 1. So now consider from 1. Very clear. We get the value. Look at here. From 1, a minus, okay, sorry, a minus, listen, a minus b. A minus b is equal to minus 1. If you take b to this side, what happened? Plus b. It is equal to a is equal to b plus 1. A is equal to b plus 1. Substitute a is equal to b plus 1 in equation. Nodi, 3 equations alli yavadu a b ide nodi, illi ide nodi. This is the equation. So that is equation in equation 3. So allige 2a minus b is equal to 0. 2. What is the value of a? B plus 1 minus b equal to 0. So 2 into b, 2b plus into plus, plus 2 into 1, 2 minus b equal to 0. Okay, clear. So 2b minus b, it is equal to 1b. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, b plus 2 is equal to 0. What do you get? B is equal to minus 2. Plus becomes minus if you move it from left to right side of the equation. So what is the value of b? We get the value of b is minus 2. Now substitute b. Substitute b is equal to minus 2 in already ಒಂದು substitution ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. a is equal to b plus 1 ಅಂತ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಾನೆ? ಸೊ a is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. a is equal to b, b is equal to minus 2 plus 1. So what happened? Minus 2 plus 1, it is equal to minus 1. It is equal to minus 1. So now we get a value 2. So a value, b value ಬಂದೇ ಬಿಡ್ತು. Very easy to find c and d value. So now substitute. Look at here. Substitute a is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Look at here, in equation 2 ac ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವೇನಾ? 2a plus c equals 5. 2a is equal to minus 1, c we don't know, okay, equal to 5. So minus 2 plus c equals 5. So coming to the point of, okay, solution. What happened now? C is equal to already 5 in the right hand side. Okay, minus 2 becomes plus 2. So C is equal to 7. So A is equal to minus 1, B is equal to minus 2 and C equal to 7. So now go for substitution of the C is equal to 7 in equation 4. What is the equation 4? It is 3c plus d. 3c plus d is equal to 13. Clear? So 3c is equal to how much? 7 plus d equals 13. 7 3s are 21 plus d is equal to 13. So d is equal to 13 minus 21. What is the value of 13 minus 21? It is equal to minus 8. Clear? So therefore d is equal to minus 8. So this is the way ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. a is equal to minus 1 sir, b is equal to minus 2 sir, c is equal to 7, d is equal to minus 8. d is equal to what? Minus 8. So see how the mathematics seems to be very easy. So the requirement is your involvement. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಅಂಥದ್ದೇನು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So dear students, I hope it's a very easy problem. So now we go to the multiple choice question part of the exercise. Remember, if you are going to for IIT, okay, or CET KSET like that, you have to know the multiple choice questions. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ in each and every exercise of the chapter, there are several multiple choice questions are given. So remember. So we are 8, 9, 10. There are 3 multiple choice questions are given. In the 3 multiple choice questions, so first coming to the point of first one. What is the first one? The first one is clear. What is the first one? What is the first one? The first one is clear. Okay. Okay. Listen where it is. Here it is. Okay. So what is the first question? First question is, okay, so listen, if A is equal to, we are going to solve very simple way. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ MCQs, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ತರವಾಗಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 8, this is the element M cross N is a square matrix. Square matrix, remember, in a square matrix. Okay, I will explain. So there are 4 options are given. M is the row, N is the column. M andre eno number of rows, N andre eno number of columns. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್? What is the answer? C is the answer. This is the way. So see how much time you get it. It's a very okay small time, even less than half a minute, fractions of the second we can solve if you know the depth of the subject. So my dear students, you have to practice well and well, okay, more and more in order to become more perfect. So that is the way you can attempt the any type of the questions in the short time of the period. So now go for the question number 9. What is the question number 9? Which of the following given values of x and y making the following pairs of matrices equal? ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. 3x + 7 ನೋಡ, 3x + 7 ನೋಡ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ, ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಈ ಥರ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈಗೆ ಯಾವ ಪೇರನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ. ಫಸ್ಟು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎ ತೊಗೊಳಪ್ಪ, ಎ x = -1/3 ಒಂದನ್ನೇ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. y = ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, -1/3 ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, 7 ಇದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ, ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವೈಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನೋಡ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ y - 2 ಇದೆ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ನೋಡ, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಬಂದೇ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರು. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೋಡ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ b = ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 9. 9th ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು 8th ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಇದು. 5 = y - 2. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ y = ಏನಾಯ್ತು, y = ಏನಾಯ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ, -2 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, +2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 7 ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋ, y = 7 ಇರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ, ಅರೆ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? a = y = 7. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತರ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ಮೇಕ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಒಂದಾಯಿತು, ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? x = -1/3. x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3x + 7 = 0. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 3x ಏನಾಯ್ತಾ, -7 ಆಯಿತು. x -7/3. ಓಕೆ, ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ x -7/3? x -7/3 ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, y 7 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ x -1/3 ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, x -2/3 ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. x 1/3 ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಪೇರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೀವೇ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಎ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 3x3. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡ 3x3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 3x3 with each entry 0 or 1. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ವಿತ್ ಈಚ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ 0 or 1. ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ, 0 1 ಇರಬೇಕು, 0 ಇರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ 1 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯು, ಸೊ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆನ ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10. The number of all possible matrices of order 3x3